In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Odoo. Whether you're new to Odoo or simply looking to streamline your invoicing process, this guide is designed to walk you through each step with clarity and ease. First, let's get started by opening the invoicing module. To do this, navigate to either the Accounting or Invoicing app within your Odoo dashboard. These apps allow you to manage your financial records efficiently and are the gateways to creating and managing invoices. Once you're in the right module, the next stop is to find your way to Customers and then Invoices. This is where you'll see a list of previously created invoices and have the option to manage them. Now, let's create a new draft invoice. This part is straightforward. Simply click on the New button, which starts a new draft invoice for you. You'll be greeted with a form that asks for some essential information. Let's go through that together. First, you'll need to specify the customer. This field is crucial because once you pick a customer, Odoo automatically fills in the invoice address, as well as the associated receivable accounts. This is a handy feature that saves you time and reduces the possibility of errors. Moving on to the invoice date. If you leave this field blank, it defaults to today's date, so you don't have to worry about setting it every time unless it's necessary to use a different date. Next up, we have the due date or payment terms. It's important to specify when you expect to receive payment to maintain a clear understanding with your customer and to manage your cash flow effectively. Clear payment terms are key to smooth financial transactions. Additionally, you'll notice fields for the journal and currency. You'll only need to fill these out if they apply to your specific invoice. If you're using multiple currencies in your transactions or keeping different types of journals, make sure you choose the correct ones, as these details will reflect on your invoice and affect your accounting records. With all those details filled out, you're almost ready to go. Reviewing this information carefully is crucial before you finalize the invoice. Making sure all entries are accurate helps prevent potential misunderstandings with your customers and also keeps your accounting records precise and up to date. And there you have it. You've just created a draft invoice in Odoo. The invoicing module is an incredibly powerful tool that simplifies managing your invoices and keeps your financial operations running smoothly. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and encourage you to explore more features within Odoo to further optimize your accounting processes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy invoicing.